Ayan, ready na pala mga chocolate pang Valentine's Day. Ayan guys, Valentine's Day. Ready na. Bili lang kayo kung anong gusto nyo. Tsaka, eto, pang, ngayong April. Yan. Ganda oh. Si rabbit. Eggs. Ayun. So, yan guys. Kasi laki na yung chocolate na to.
Chocolate here. What's it?
Oh, si ano pala to? Si Paw Patrol. Tapos si Disney. Si Paw Patrol at saka si Disney. Ayan, ganda.
Hey, I can help it. Okay, you're buying it. I'm gonna pick anything.
Egg. Easter egg.